Burlington ain't playing with you folks neither. Burlington has some jeans that are $16, honey, and they are the high-rise push-up jeans. Okay, it's gonna lift your butt. So, honey, I think we hit the jackpot. I really believe we hit the jackpot on this one. Check this out. Burlington has this coat right here, and I was in TJ Maxx yesterday, okay, and they had a coat similar to this. I don't remember the name. I think it was Michael Kors. But this coat is $17 for, I want to say, more than half the price than the one that they wanted at TJ Maxx. Now, this is not a brand. This is just called Stella Tweed, okay? But, honey, it got the hood and everything for $17. Did you hear me? I said $17, child. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Now, honey, let me tell you something. I want you to sit down. Are you sitting now? Okay, because I'm about to go into Burlington. Okay, Burlington Coat Factory, and we're about to see what they have up in here. All right, I hope you guys are having such a lovely day, a phenomenal day. If not, do understand and get that, honey, once you change your perception, everything is going to change. All right, so Burlington also have this gas set, and this is okay, you know, the earrings, you know, if you want people to know that they fake. Honey, it's just something about that, especially if you know they not real. I don't like, you know, stuff that is loud and it's not real. Okay, it just does something to me. Now, this set, however, I absolutely like this, and this is $10. Honey, I'm talking like it's all about me. Honey, it's about you guys, and this is $10 as well. They also have this non-West necklace. This is $8. And we had seen some of these, the Juicy Coutures, all right, and this is $10, all right. So pretty much all the jewelry over here, like the Juicy Couture, the Guess, is pretty much $10. So Burlington also has this Paris Hilton. Let's do a scratch for scent. See how this smells. I don't know. I mean, it smells okay. Let's see how much this is. Oh, this is $20. Honey, this is not bad at all. Now, Juicy Couture, I do like me some Juicy Couture. All right. Now, I know Juicy may be a little, you know, a little old. Okay. But this is $13. I like Juicy. And it has the lotion and also the fragrance. Now, Betsy Johnson. Okay. Now, Betsy Johnson, honey, I had some Betsy Johnson bags. Honey, you couldn't tell me nothing. I like me some Betsy. Okay, now the Betsy Johnson, this is the Travel Spray Trio, and this is $13. They also have some Kenneth Cole, which is $20, and then some Red Duo. Who remember during Red Duo? $17, and then some Calvin Klein in Eternity, which is $40. So these Calvin Klein sweatpants, these are so cute. They are $20. I love how they have the Calvin Klein logo name coming down on the sides. Really nice. This Calvin Klein hoodie. Now, I like me a good hoodie. All right, you guys, some of you guys may not know, but I live where it get cold. Okay, all right, and you know, you definitely need a warm coat or a hoodie or something. And where's the, hold on, child. All right, so this is $25. Not bad at all. And I like, so if just in case you don't know, I'm a detail girl. So these little splits right here, I like this. This is really cute. I like the splits. Now, you can definitely get some cute shirts from Burlington and some pants, okay, and some sweaters and some shoes, too. Now, this sweater right here is $9. This is cute. I like this. Long sleeves, really cute. So I thought that this was a Converse sweater, but honey, this is just a verse. Honey, take the corn out, all right? Or shall we take the verse out and put the corn? This sweater right here is $15. I absolutely love sweaters like this because in the winter time, it definitely keeps you warm. Now, I don't know if this sweater is going to be the one that keeps you warm because I definitely have a sweater like this and it's a little thicker and I got it from TJ Maxx. But this is cute. I like this with a nice white fitted shirt up under here. Honey, it'll do with some jeans. Child, don't let me get fancy on you. Now, Burlington also has this Columbia jacket sweater, and this is $30. They come in different colors. Well, they only have two colors, it appears. Just the green and also the white. I like this. Now, when we talk about sweaters, like the one that I just showed you guys, if you are looking for a more comfortable, a more, a little thicker. Now, this is still light, but I think it's thicker than the one that we just seen. This is $15, and it says Los Angeles. So these are pretty much the jeans, and I like it how it has like these 3 buttons right here. This is cute. Honey, they said, no, we don't want you to take the pants off, okay? That's why they got so many darn buttons. And these are $16, like I said. They are cute. I wish they had them in, oh, child, wait, hold on now. I think they have them in blue. All right. They also have some high-rise skinny jeans. Honey, these are $12. Honey, you can't beat this. Now, this vest right here, I like this. Honey, this has my name on it. This is $17. I like this. Now, it ain't thick or anything, but for fashion-wise, this is definitely cute. They also have it in green, too. So, it has the hood. Okay. Really cute. Now, the Steve Madden vest that I just showed you guys, the black and white one, they also have this one right here. And this is really, really cute. It has the hood, really cute. And this is, they have the tag, but honey, they don't have the darn price on here. Honey, this thing probably like $15. Honey, these boots are so light. They are like a feather. All right. Now, to me, they got, they very shiny. These are $25. But honey, the inside is very, very cozy. See, I changed it once I seen that. I'm telling you, once you see the name on this stuff, it changes, okay? These are Juicy Couture boots, and these, ooh, child, I like these. Let's see how much these are. Well, these are different right here. Let's see how much these are first. All right, so these are $30. These are Juicy Couture as well. I like how they have the fur right here, and this fur is very, very soft. And these are, I want to say Guess, but this says GBG. I know somebody gonna come. I know somebody in the comments. All right, so these are $35. I absolutely love the green. Green is my thing. Aren't these cute? And these are Juicy Couture as well. And these are $30. Really, really cute. So Burlington has like this whole entire section over here that's filled with clearance. Okay, honey, I cannot go through this section if I wanted to. Now this orange sweater, this looks okay. Oh, this orange sweater at $8.39. That looks okay. Honey, I don't like doing these L's and stuff like that. Honey, it's too much. Now, these little coats for the little girls, these are so cute. These are $25. And then they also have this Calvin Klein coat right here for the girls with the hood. Let me see. All right, the normal price is $110. This is $40. Now this Perry Ellis for boys, definitely like this. I definitely like this. And this is $25. My son would definitely look good in this. Alright, but honey, we ain't in here for this today. Alright, wait till those YouTube funds hit. This is another Perry Ellis coat for the little boys. This is cute. And this again is $25. This snowsuit is really, really cute. And this is $25. I gotta go. I got to go. I got to go. Okay, I got these 2 grocery bags. All right, make sure you guys check out their haul too. That I did Aldi, honey. I'm getting a little overwhelmed because there's so much in here, and the bags they bagging. So let me go. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.